This is Chris Regan with AutoTrader-AgentEdge. This is a natural language processing based multi-agent coordination system that can use real-time market data for intelligent decision making. So in the case if we wanted to actually look up a ticker and acquire some shares on it, something like SQQ, that's a short Q's ticker, it'll actually provide us with portfolio details, trying to check the real live data for it, and it'll actually give us a buy suggestion in this case. So we'll accept the one buy of it, and it'll actually provide us with a stop and a profit entry or order entries. So in this case, we saw the order get filled here on one share, and we actually can see on the recent orders, we do have a profit and a stop side actually get filled. So in this case, we can actually check the portfolio, and it will actually provide us with the details of what's currently open on the broker side. All right, that's been Chris Regan. Thank you for your time, and I hope you see you in the booth and come around and play with the Agent Edge and see if your trades actually make a dent.